Everyone thinks when you do this position with your phone, you're being creepy. I've been in cabs, in the airport, and people go, "Are you taking a video of me?" And my basic response back is, no, I'm actually taking good care of my neck. These things are great. We've been able to communicate with people. We've been able to share information left and right. We've been able to really just open up the world to everyone else. But what they're doing is actually bringing us to an epidemic, especially with neck problems and neck dysfunction. So what I want to talk about in the video today was we're on this verge of an epidemic problem, especially with neck and pain going on in there. I'm starting to see problems in 17, 18, 19-year-olds that I normally see in a 50 or 60-year-old because everyone is glued to their phone all day long and we can't figure out why we're having neck pain. You're seeing people start to get what I call the granny hump or a Dowager's hump back through here because these muscles are getting so beat up. This is the worst posture you can put yourself in. You've seen those videos where people talk about every time you look down you put 60 pounds worth of force into your neck and it's a big problem. But what people don't understand is that your injury is an accumulation of a lot of things going wrong. So I'm seeing people in their 30s or 40s coming in with massive disc injuries in their neck with no trauma, no accidents or anything like that. My neck is jacked up because I played football and bashed my head into another human for many years, and I have a lot of these problems, but I'm starting to see this in people that have no trauma, and we're getting to this point of this breaking point where we're gonna lose functionality, we're gonna lose productivity as a society if we don't do something about it. So the first thing you can do is look like a creep like me and bring your phone up. If you find yourself buried in your phone looking down like this, watching social media, doing all things like that, make a change, get things up, get things upright, get off of your phone, don't spend all day long on there. So just a warning for people, if you're already having neck pain and you're young, there are things you can do to mitigate that and keep it from being a bigger problem so you don't end up in my office with a real serious problem. Thanks for watching and share with anybody that's on their phone all day long.